There's a freaking goose! Look at that. Hi! Hello! How have you been? You okay? Are you okay? I'm not trying to mess with your life. Okay? I don't want to mess with your life. Can we just stay cool? Okay, I'm gonna approach you. I'm approaching a wild animal. Are you okay? Do you need any sort of help? Did you lose your babies? Do you want me to help? Okay, will you bite me? Okay, I'm walking over. Okay? Alright, I'm walking over. It's gonna be okay. Alright, don't worry, I'm walking every step with you. Mom! Are you watching this? I'm walking with the goose! It's okay. I'm gonna stand distances away. Don't worry, we're like 10 feet away from each other. So you're not gonna do anything to me, and I'm not gonna do anything to you, okay? I just wanna... Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, do you need help fighting with your baby? Because I can help you. Okay, where was the last place? You want me to follow you? Alright, I'll come with you. I'm not trying to hurt you, okay? And I like your feet. I really like your feet. So, what do we do from here? I guess I just walk with you? I don't know if you want me to just walk with him. Alright. Is it in one of these circles? Sorry, are you a Mr. or a Mrs.? Mom, what if he attacks? Is he gonna attack? So, I can help you. So, where do you think you left from last? Oh, are you the goose up front? I took a couple. I took like 3. What? I am. I'm videotaping right now. So, you want me to help you or? Oh, are you the duck up front? You're the duck up front, right? I think I know where your eggs are. This is my night. Oh my gosh, let's get a close up of that. I'm gonna take a pic. I did.
Oh, nice.
Woo! Oh, he's posing!
Hi, birdie. Cute, huh?
He's posing! Who's
Yes,
posing for me?
posing.
Thank you, Mr. Duck. Is this a Mr. or Mrs.? Can you tell?
I don't know if it's a guy or girl. Might be a girl because the guys are more, or maybe the guy because the girls are more mean.
Okay then.